welcome to April Flower Arts. I'm Tushara. Today I'm going to share with you my recipe for a simple and yummy mango dal. The best thing about summer is the availability of a wide variety of fruits, among which the king of fruits, mango, is my favorite. Of course, mango in its raw or unripe form as well as the ripe mangoes are used in a wide variety of recipes. Today I am going to share with you one of my favorite recipes with raw mango. It's a raw mango dal. That's nothing but a curry made with raw mangoes and lentils with some spices. So let's see what are the ingredients we need for that. So I have taken here around half or 3/4 cup of raw mango, which I have removed the peel and chopped into small pieces. 1 tablespoon of sliced onions, just 1 clove of garlic which is finely chopped, then some coriander leaves, a dry red chili and a green chili, some curry leaves, and masoor dal or red lentil. You can take any dal of your choice, either it is yellow dal or moong dal works well too. And from the spices we will just need some mustard seeds, turmeric powder and some red chili powder, and for tempering we'll need oil as well. So firstly, I have already washed and drained the lentils. I will transfer it to a cooker. I have taken here around half a cup of the masoor dal or red lentils. To this I'll be adding the raw mangoes as well, and a green chili which I have just slit in the middle. Just all these together. To this I'll be adding around 3 cups of water. I'll cook the dal and the mangoes till I hear 2 whistles in the cooker. If you're not using a cooker, you could just cook the dal in a pot until the dal is soft and mushy. The dal and the raw mangoes were cooking in the pressure cooker. I heard about 2 whistles and I switched off the stove and let the pressure release. So let's see how it looks now. So the dal is completely cooked. So it's all mushy. So that is what we are looking for. And the mango pieces. Here you can just, if you want, you can mash the dal and mango a little bit to release the flavor of the mangoes. So now it's time to add the salt. I added around 2 teaspoons of salt. As a final step, I'll give it a tempering with some spices. I have a small pan here heating up with around 1 tablespoon of oil. I also added around 1 teaspoon of ghee or clarified butter. It's optional, but for any dal preparation, if you add a little bit of ghee for the tempering, it just enhances the flavor of the dal and takes it to another level. To the hot oil, I'll be adding around just a 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds and let it splutter. When the mustard seeds stop spluttering, I'll add few curry leaves and dry red chilies and garlic and sliced onions. So the onions were frying in the oil for some time. They have started to brown now. So at this point I'll switch off the stove. To this I'll be adding just a pinch of turmeric powder and about 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder. Mix it well. So now the tempering for the raw mango dal is ready. Let's pour it onto the dal. So as you saw, I didn't add a lot of spices because I don't want to overpower the flavor of the mangoes. So see how colorful it looks now with a yellowish green dal and the red tempering over it. Finally, I'll garnish the dal with some fresh coriander leaves. So you saw how simple it was to prepare this raw mango dal. Even though it does not have a lot of spices, it is very flavorful because of the raw mangoes. You can serve this light dal with some rice and yogurt and some mango pickle on the side, and it's a very wholesome and fulfilling meal. If you like this recipe, please hit the like button, subscribe to my videos. Until next time, it's bye from me. Thanks for watching.